Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a treat for all the keto enthusiasts out there. A delicious keto carrot cake. Yes, you heard it right. A low-carb version of the classic carrot cake that's perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without compromising your ketogenic lifestyle. So, let's jump right into it. Ingredient. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this keto-friendly carrot cake. 2 cups almond flour. 1/2 cup coconut flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. 1/3 cup keto-friendly sweetener. 4 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1½ cups grated carrots. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. Cream cheese frosting. 8 cream cheese, softened. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1/3 cup powdered erythritol. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get baking. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a cake pan with butter or line it with parchment paper. 2. In a large bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Mix well. 3. In another bowl, whisk together melted butter, keto-friendly sweetener, eggs, and vanilla extract until smooth. 4. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. 5. Fold in the grated carrots and chopped walnuts, if you're using them. 6. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and smooth the top. 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 8. While the cake is baking, let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. In a bowl, beat together softened cream cheese, butter, powdered erythritol, and vanilla extract until creamy. 9. Once the cake has cooled, spread the cream cheese frosting over the top. 10. Slice, serve, and enjoy your guilt-free keto carrot cake. Thanks for watching.